Okay, hello there. I finally made a new video, but you don't care about that. So let's go right to the point. Today I will be unboxing the Wacom Draw tablet. Just a small thing before we begin. The box is already open, as you can see, because I made a first unboxing and then I lost all the footage due to an unfortunate event. But with that being said, let's begin. So, once you open the box, once you open the box, it's really straightforward. It's really straightforward, actually. You have read everything right in your face. You have the pen, you have the tablet, obviously. You have, I think, the cables. Yeah, the cables. About that, let me do a small little thing here. I can tell you that having those cables can be really annoying and frustrating. So there is a wireless kit. Of course, it costs extra money. I don't have it with me because I don't have the extra money. But I suggest that you buy it. Of course, you can just see how it goes. Maybe you're comfortable with this. I'm not, but as I said before. Here we have nothing else, and then we have this. So that's all there is in the box, really. Not that much. Now the important stuff is in here, I think. Oh yeah. Here's the DVD, so you will connect the tablet with your computer. I'll show you about that later. We don't need this. This, I guess you need this, but it's really simple. I don't know if you can see. You can either set up your tablet through the internet, if it ever focuses. Yes. You can either connect to the internet or you can use the DVD. I use the DVD because it's easier for me, I guess. And I'll show you how to do that in a bit. So basically the only thing important is that. It's the tablet, it's the pen. I don't know if you can see. Hold on a minute. Focus. You can't see because of the lighting, but there is nothing much. It's just the two buttons. There's only two buttons in this. There's no eraser, but not like you need it. This is not the pen and touch edition, by the way. This is the normal poor thing edition. Now about connecting your tablet with your laptop, I have some footage of what I did with the DVD. But since it was my second time connecting this tablet with my laptop, there were some tiny differences that I noticed. First things first, it didn't ask me for a code that it asked me the first time. This code, hold on. Okay, so there's this code. You'll see it in your box. It asked it to me the first time, but the second time that I connected this, it didn't. So there's not footage of me putting the code. But trust me when I say that it's nothing hard. I did it by myself, and I'm not the most brilliant person out there, so I'm thinking you'll be fine. Also, the footage is me using the DVD, not the internet thing, so I guess if you want to do it through the internet, you have to go through their website and you'll do it from there. I'm guessing the steps are pretty much the same. There's nothing to worry about, so meh. So I'm gonna go ahead and play you the footage of me connecting the tablet to my laptop. By the way, I forgot to show you something. Hold on a minute. Okay. Here we go. I think the wireless kit, this is for the wireless kit, and there's pretty much anything. You should be kind of careful when you open that. So don't open it the way I opened it. Then you're probably wondering where you're putting this. This is where the part of the cable that goes to the tablet. Of course, you're putting it here on the left of your tablet. There we go. This is it, and you connect this part to your computer. Pretty easy. So that's it. That's the tablet. If you want a review or anything, I will upload a review about this tablet soon, in about a year. So be ready for that. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more, and I hope you enjoy your tablet. Bye.